Hello, Dave Kenworthy here again. It's the 30th of the 8th, 2021, and this is the culmination of all the work that's been done using Berriman and listening to what Berriman tells us in his book, which is that the designers of the Great Giza Pyramid designed it against a square royal cubit and pi cubed, and they used a straight line unit, a unit of land area, and a unit of volume as pi cubed. And when you multiply these three together, you get the base 100 Giza base as discovered by Colonel Vise of 36666.666 imperial inches. And the straight line unit is 1/10 of a Babylonian cubit, and it's a meter of 1,000 millimeters divided by 360, and that gives 2.77 recurring inches. The unit of land area is the Neil and Michel cubit multiplied by the Berriman royal cubit, and one's 20.6181818 and the other's 20.625. Neil and Michel comes out at 20412 divided by 990 and is crosscast against Berriman's cubit of 990 divided by 48. We multiply those two together, we get 202.07880 divided by 47520, giving a net royal square cubit of 425.25 square inches. And then the unit of volume as pi cubed is Babylonian pi of 100/32, which is 3.125, multiplied by what I call Giza pi of 22/7, which is 3.142857.143, and that then is multiplied by Egyptian pi, which is 256/81, which is 3.1604.938, and that is 16/9 squared. Pi cubed comes out at 563,200 divided by 18144, which is 31.0406 inches cubed. We multiply those three together, 2.777 times 425.25 times 31.0406, and it comes to exactly 36666.666 recurring. Divide that by 1760, we get the base 100 cubit in the new metrology of 20.8333 recurring. Now, volume as pi cubed is very interesting because Babylonian pi, which is 3.125, multiplied by Egyptian pi, 256 divided by 81, multiply those two together, we get 9.87654321, and that is 800 divided by 81. So these two units here, 3.125 and 3.1604.938, Egyptian pi and Babylon, they're extreme measures. And Giza pi is falling in between them. And the Egyptians were aware of these two units and that they came to this. And that this is what Berriman tells us. And we know that the Stonehenge in a Sarsen circle, 3672 inches, comes to the Giza base when we use the megalithic yard. So if we divide that by 32.64, we get 1111.111 recurring units in the Giza base when the megalithic yard's used. There are always that number. The megalithic yard is a variable unit of measure. And this is a culmination of all the work that I've been doing over the past few years. And it may not be following the principles that the Egyptians worked under, and they're very difficult to follow. But this is following the guidance in Berriman, and following the units that Berriman has given us. And this is the solution, this land area solution, is the solution to the square Royal Cubit. This unit here is the metre divided by 360, so it's the line divided by the circle, which is the Babylonian cubit. And volume as pi cubed is obviously what it says it is. It's giving us the kernel Wise base. Now again, this calculation is too complicated for me to have made it up. But it just goes to show that what Berriman was telling us, that there's 3 different units included in straight line measure, in the way that the Egyptians were going about their mathematics, is absolutely true. And really that's it. So in terms of publishing any more in this series, I think I'll put it on hold for the time being, because it's been a long road to get this far. So thank you very much for listening.